Hi, my dear YouTube viewers. Myself, Manjunath Advocate here, practicing more than 17 years in various subjects in Bangalore. Civil matter, family matters, criminal matters, bail matters, financial matters, AC, DC court, tribunals, and high court matters. And is specialized into property matters like giving a property legal opinion, documentation, scrutiny, registration, title verification, etc. etc. I have recruited nearly 15 team of advocates who are having between 2 to 25 years of experience in the mentioned areas. By using that team, I am trying to discharge my legal duties effectively to fetch the legal remedy to the public within the frame of law. Today I'm going to talk about the banning or prohibition of doing advertisements in advocacy. Advocate not supposed to do advertisement. It prohibits. Why? What is the reason why it has to ban? Why the advertisement in advocacy should be legalized? I'm going to speak about this in the interest of my fraternity members. See, first of all, advocacy is a noble profession, right? I do agree. All the professions are noble only if people are discharging their duty, whatever it is assigned, it is noble only. Without anyone, without any profession, people cannot lead their life. So it is like a chain link. A person depends on others. One profession depends on others. So you cannot discriminate. Just advocacy is a noble profession. Just simply by saying that, you cannot discriminate advocate profession compared to other professions, and you cannot restrict their advertising rights which other professions don't have. So it is baseless and logicless. It is senseless, and there is no logical reasoning involved in that. So all the profession is honorable profession and noble profession. So should not simply discriminate the advocate profession compared to others. So how the other professions are having a liberty to establish themselves, to use the social media platform, like even advocate also should have a clean hand and free hand to establish their network and to build their lifestyle, because advocates are a licensed people, they are authorized people, they are authorized to speak about law. That is why even Bar Council has given the license to them after verifying their marks cards and their education degree certificates. So if advocates don't have any modified intention, and if they can speak, if they want to speak about law, and if they want to create legal awareness, and if they want to advertise themselves and what kind of service they are providing by showing their talent and experience to the public, there is nothing harm to the public. And those who are having a skills and updated themselves, definitely they have a rights to uplift their lifestyle also. So it has to be banned, and the Bar Council of India should rethink and review on this matter, and immediately the Bar Council of India, in the interest of advocates, they have to take a decision immediately on this. Why the section number 36 has to completely remove? Why the Bar Council should give liberty to the advocates to advertise themselves about their profession? The point number one, access to clients, especially the old lawyers, they have already established themselves and they have created a network. They don't have any issue for their livelihood, and they can do, and they don't have any problem. But what about the new generation of lawyers, youngsters, who are having a passion about this profession? What they have to do? They have to come forward, right? They should have motivation, right? And they should also get equal opportunity to reach the people globally, correct? So that is why, to build their network, to build the client base, they should have equal opportunity in the platform to use the technology. Court is adapting, and the social media work also, it is adapted by people, and a lot of judges, court, senior advocates, they are also adapting technologies. So why the restricted foreign advocates? Simply saying noble profession, it cannot be sold as a product. No, everyone is selling. Everything is a sales. Even selling the knowledge. Service is a selling. What is selling? What is business? What is noble? It has to be interpreted in a wider manner. So, to access the client, definitely the platform should be utilized by the advocates. If you restrict them, definitely you are curtailing the right and their ability to enhance themselves and to build their clients and base and their capabilities. So we have to give motivation. Those who are having skills, let them access. Why do you restrict only to the street or to the area or district or state? Let him build his capacity, let him build his network globally. And when there is a healthy competition, definitely they can uplift themselves and they will become sharpened and they will focus. And even clients also will have a choice to choose the clients properly. By seeing their capacity, people can go ahead with that and they can choose. The visibility and recognition. Definitely everyone works for recognition. Why the recognition is required? The recognition is a motivational factor. It boosts the person. It motivates the person to grow themselves in person or in the interest of public. They will uplift, they will upgrade themselves. So recognition is very, very important. So don't please restrict the advocates to advertise. So let them showcase their knowledge, their experience to the public. And the social media is a stage. It is a platform to showcase their talent. Please open up and give liberty to advocates. Let the healthy environment creates. If advocate grows, if the legal firm grows, definitely they will give opportunity to other advocate. There is nothing wrong in that, and advocates will grow directly or indirectly. In any manner, it will not harm, right? And now, if without advertisement, what is happening? The junior advocate has to go to senior advocates. They have to work there for 10 years, 15 years for peanut amount. And then only they can slowly can they build. How long will they take? How can they survive in this competitive world? Can they survive just by taking 10,000, 15,000 rupees? Can they take care of the family? Do they get any motivation? No, right? So it has to be open to the new generation. The geographical reach. If you restrict a person, just put your small board and don't do any advertisement, then he has to depend on the street where he resides, where he walks in, where he roam around, and his relatives, friends, and other things. If you restricted a person like this, and how can he lead a standard lifestyle? And do you know that practically it will not possible, because known people definitely will not share their litigations, their issues to the known person, known advocate, because they don't want to disclose their family issues or any other litigations issues to the known person. They will go to other advocate. That is why they cannot build. So don't restrict a person. If you let the person showcase his talent and his strength to grow up and to build his profession, let him reach the international standard. If the healthy environment creates, even advocate also will become sharpened, and they will reach to international standards by improving themselves. And um new advocates, definitely they will struggle if you restrict to advertise, because they cannot build. See, do whatever. If you want to build, if you want to reach the people nowadays, that it is a technology world. People are, if they want anything, they will do Google search, they will go to YouTube, Twitter. They depend on technology and social media, and where the people are getting messages very fast, very quickly. And the olden days, okay, forget it. But now technology is improved. Based on the technology, based on the current trend and scenario, even advocate also upgrade. And you should also give liberty to the people and to do practice and to sustain, to lead his lifestyle. And people should have interest while seeing the advocates lifestyle, right? So inequality will not be there. Those who are having skills and capacity, let them showcase their talent openly to the society, and let him grab however he wants. Depends on their efforts, they will get it. So it is access to justice. See, I have been handling thousands of clients. When I ask the clients, how did you choose your advocate? They say, they have wore the uniform, they are known to me, they are put a board in my street, and they are my relative or what, whoever, through someone I know him. They said he is advocate, I have given. They don't know in which field he is expertise and can he handle this case, and they, without knowing anything, they have handed over the cases, and sometimes they are not capable to execute those things. At that time, definitely even clients also will suffer. If platform is available, if he does advertisement, he can share his knowledge, he can showcase his capability, and even client customers also will understand the ability of an advocate and how he can represent before the court of law, how effectively he can represent his case to fetch the justice. Even let the client also aware basic law, and then it is easy for them to choose an advocate. So it is access to the justice without blindly assigning a case to the person. Even if it is very transparent, it helps for an advocate as well as clients. So transparency must be followed. So this is what I am saying. When there is a transparency and when there is a platform, even that economically the discrepancy or differences will not be there. Who are putting efforts, who are reading, who are enhancing themselves, who are uplifting their profile, their standard, their lifestyle also will increase. So survival of the fittest policy should maintain. So then after that, especially when there is a quality of quality of people will comes out when there is a healthy competition. So when the standard will see by the people, even they are also eager to have that standard, and in internal competition helps the people to spread their knowledge, spread their experience to the public. So let them prove themselves and let them get the cases to run the cases in the interest of public and litigants. And see, the basically what I wanted to conclude is the violation of right to practice any profession. See, any profession has a liberty to practice. They to practice whatever they have practiced, whatever they have learned, to reach the people, to build their base clients. Definitely advertisement is required, boss. Without that, they cannot. How can they reach? If a person works 10 years or 15 years under someone, under senior lawyer, definitely for the main stages, cross examination or argument stage, if he comes and appear, if he doesn't want to give opportunity to the juniors who are working or subordinates, and how will they get recognition by the people, and how can he create network, how he can get a name and fame? See, if it is like that, even all the judges and senior advocates, they should not, their name and picture should not disclose in the paper or social media or through interviews or whatever it is. Those who comes on the TV and paper, people think that they are senior advocates, they are reputed advocates, and they'll go ahead with them. So injustice is happening. If you prohibit 100%. Advocate face, name, judges face, name, public should not aware. And also, government and court will not take any initiative to create a legal awareness to the public. Public will not understand who can handle my case. And civil case, handing over to family matter advocate. Who is handling family matter case advocate? To him, the person go and assigned civil matter case. What will you do? Let them share their knowledge. So, right to advocacy, right to do practice is very, very important. Don't restrict a person. Article 19(1)(g) clause clearly says that right to have a practice. So it should not prohibit in any manner. And also equality before the law. Article 14 clearly says when you don't have any restrictions to other professions, why not only advocates? Why it is only to advocates? Advocate also are having a human being, right? When you say it is a honorable and a noble profession, keep the people's lifestyle also in a noble way. Let the noble people will upgrade themselves, exhibit their talents to the public to grow themselves. Let them do noble lifestyle. Here, if you have to open market is really required. This is a technology goes. People to book auto, to book cab, people depends on technology. If they want to book advocate, they'll go to Google search. They'll see YouTube nowadays. They don't roam around the board. And don't restrict them for locally. If they stick to local, then they become only local people. And you're restricting their capacities. And you're not giving them an opportunity to enhance in international standard. So these are all the factors must be gone through by Bar Council of India, and hope that Bar Council of India and even senior advocate also will proctor this to the notice of the Supreme Court, and will who are capable, definitely they can go through it and try to get the justice for the fraternity of my brothers and sisters of advocates. Okay, and in the Kannada I have given the detailed explanation, because some of the people, they don't understand Kannada, since it is a very, very important topic. So I have done it in English also, because I wanted to reach this to the mass and also class people. So even globally it has to reach. So that is what I have done it in English. So hope if you like this video, if you like this video, press the like button and share it to all. Thank you.